Hello everyone, this is Dion. Welcome back to Gabber. In this video I'll show you how can you change your font on any Realme device or any Oppo device. So let's get started. So if we go to the settings section, under the display and brightness, you can see there is no other option, only the font size. As you can see, only the font size. We can change only the font size. But how can we change the font? Let's go to the language and region. Change your region to Myanmar. So we have changed it. So now if we move into the display and brightness section, so now you see no options, but we'll see option in a bit. So we need a software called Z Font. Let's download Z Font. You can set any font as your default font. You can choose fonts from this app, or you can download any font you like and then install that font for your device. So let's open the font. So let's open the app, allow it. So nothing here, close it. If you want to download any of this font, if you want to apply any of this font, you can simply just download them and install them. Let me show you. So if I go to a stylist section, let's just install this font. Now as you can see, this is my default font. This is the default font, so I will download this font. So I'll set this font. Let's click on set and see, here is a section Oppo and Realme. Click here. So there is the option in which method you want to install the font. This is the theme font, so we will choose the support die character. So there's the best method. So click here. So unpacking, font need to be installed first, then change font and follow instructions. So let's just install the font. So we'll allow this app for installing. So let's just install the font. So we have changed the region. So if you don't yet change the region, so change the region to Myanmar. We already did it, and we will just change the font, but we need to turn on this support die character. As you can see, so here we are getting a new option. Just go to your setting, display and brightness, and as you can see, support die characters. If you just click here, your font will be applied. So font is already changed, but if you just click here, it will be applied. So let me show you. So as you can see, our font already has been changed. See, there's our new font. As you can see, this is the new font. You can also download and install any of fonts from the internet. So let's just search for the fonts. Go to any of this website, just download the font file and we will install that font. So we can't install any OTP file, so we need to download TTF file. So let's go to 1001 fonts. So I think let's just download this one. That's also a zip file. That's a zip file. We need to unzip it. So Here as you can see we get two files, .otp, .ttf. We need to have the .ttf file. Then local, then click on the folder file, then your directory where you have extracted your file. So as you can see ttf is acceptable, so we'll install this ttf. Let's just install it and just set it Oppo Realme day characters. Okay, we need to install the apk here. Let's just install it. You are done here. So it's different than the before, as you can see. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you face any kind of difficulties doing this custom font, just let me know in the comment section. I will reply you. If the video helps you a little bit, then consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you, have a nice day.